So this is the new daily. Got a TSX Wagon. So far I've had it for I think like a month, 3 weeks. I love it. Let's see what I could get done to it. The plan is to keep it stuck, but that's the plan. I clean up those headlights because there, you can see it there. They're all foggy or like yellow a little bit, but it came with the little front lips thing, little corner pieces, and the side skirts. So today, getting the wagon tinted. Finally, I've had it for like a month. I was trying to hold off, but I can't do it anymore. There's no tint. To me, there's no tint. It has like 70%. So it's fishbowl basically. Has no windshield tint. This drives me crazy. So I need to get this done finally. Super early in the morning. It's 8:30 basically. I don't remember the last time I've been up driving already at this time. So I'm still waking up, but I'm on my way to the tint shop to get this done. Looking good. So there we go. This looks good. So much better than the fishbowl look it had. So I went with 5% in the whole sides and then 30% in the front windshield. Looks a lot better. A little bit of tint in the front, so it's not crazy, but it looks good from the outside. So I'm just gonna be doing little things to the daily to make it a little bit more suitable for me. So that's the before and then after. So I swapped it to LEDs because those yellow lights are ugly. I already swapped the top ones and the back, wherever that is, and the back one. So I swapped all of those, and I swapped that side there. So there I got the final ones swapped to LEDs. I think I got all of them. I did that one, the two fronts, and all the doors. So I got those all swapped out. So now I just gotta find what else to do the rest of the day. Let's see. So I also got the fog lights swapped to LED, both sides. Didn't need to take the bumper off of that, but I took the bumper off because I'm gonna sand this down, and then I'm gonna have to take the headlight off to clear coat it. So that was that, and then I just did the fog lights through there instead of the fender liner. I'm gonna also pressure wash the bay. There's a whole bunch of dirt everywhere because this car's from Arizona. So I'm gonna pressure wash it, get rid of all those spots of dirt. So I got them sanded down even. See, you can see when it's joined it, so it's sanded down already all even and stuff. I'll probably take them off and do one more pass, like a light pass with the 3000 before I paint it. This is sanded down with the 3000. I'm gonna be using the 2K clear. The car up there. So this is with 2 coats. Went a little heavy by accident in the corner, but luckily with this clear, it clears up really good, not like cheap clears. You can see it looks nice and brand new. I hate when just look. See the dots? Accidentally, while I was disconnecting that, sprayed water this way. And now I gotta wait till this fully dries. Yeah, you can see it there. So I can sand that down. This one luckily didn't get anything. So just this one here. So I know yesterday I said I was gonna keep the wagon stock, but
an opportunity came up for something, so some mod's gonna be coming in, just something light. Stay tuned for that.
All right, so I finished. So it looks a lot better, nice and clear. The rain messed me up a little bit when it got wet that I showed you guys, and I had to resand it, but you can see it there. But you know, not bad, can't complain. This one's pretty good. And like I said, I installed the LED fogs. So it looks good, I'm happy with it.